I just got these, and a lot more for free. But how exactly did I do it? Over the past few years, brands have reached out themselves to me and sent me products, but it got me thinking, what if this time I reach out first? I picked 100 of my favorite tech brands to DM to see if they can send me anything good. All right, so first, obviously, we're gonna start with Apple. All right, sending this from my toaster, can you send me an iPhone? No way, they're actually typing. Oh, just kidding. Apple never even saw the message. You know what? It's okay, because I think Samsung got my back. My fridge and TV are missing a cousin. Send an iPhone? I said iPhone to Samsung. I need to delete this right now. I need to delete it. All right, now I need to sweet talk them because I messed up big time. I love your Galaxy phones. I never even used one. Anyway, please send me one. I think they're gonna like the message, right? Now I'm gonna try to get a PS5 from Sony. Sony and I have a history, so I'm pretty sure they're going to reply. Trying to escape reality in 4K. Please send PS5. Oh, BTW. We have collaborated with each other. I'm actually going to send the same exact message to Xbox because I don't have time to come up with different DMs for each brand. Then I spent the next hour DMing 96 more brands. At first, I wasn't getting any responses from the brands and it got me very sad. But a few days later, some companies actually started reaching back out to me. And after a few weeks, this is everything we got. The first thing that I see here is a box from Sony and it says PS5. I'm very excited because I've never had a PS5. So I'm just gonna open it up. Oh my God. Just kidding. They did not care about our history. But one of the first brands that did respond was BenQ. They sent me not only one monitor, but two. If you've seen my previous videos at all, you probably saw that I had two monitors over here. But actually, I didn't like those monitors because they just didn't look good. So I just put the monitors together. They're actually super cool. These monitors are specifically made for MacBook Pro and MacBook Air. And you can actually connect it with a USB-C to USB-C cord. So let's turn this on. All right, so I just connected my MacBook to the monitor. Before I set both of these monitors behind me, look how cool this is. I can just turn it. Are you kidding me? This monitor is also very cool because it can act as a native monitor to your MacBook. I'll be soon posting shorts about this monitor and you will see how exactly to use it. So I've successfully set up the monitors behind me and I'm actually super obsessed with them. They look amazing. The next two packages we have from the same company and this is Beauty Tech. So I'm very excited about this one. It's a hair straightener. Ta-da! I've heard of this company before, but I've never tried their product. Oh my God, this cord is very long. While the straightener is heating up, I'm going to show you another product that they sent me. It's not tech, but this is a very interesting product. Basically, this is called the Unbrush. So this should be like the best detangling brush out there. I haven't brushed my hair in a while and I know it's a little bit tangled, so I'm wondering if this actually works. Let's just go from here and then down. Guys, I have very long hair and this thing is not getting stuck in my hair. There's so much hair in here right now. I'm shedding like crazy. Gross, but this thing is really good. So it looks like this thing heated up already, so I'm going to try to straighten my hair. Okay. Oh my goodness. Yes, this works. This works great. And my hair doesn't feel crunchy. It feels very soft too. By the way, if you want any of these products that I'm showing you in this video, please comment that you want them and I'll ship them out to you. All right, so here we have the next package. I actually don't know what it is. After a few weeks, I forgot who sent me what. I know what this is. I know what this is. Oh my God. You guys have definitely seen these keyboards. I actually have one. Here it is. Oh my God, it's heavy. I forgot how heavy it is. Are you kidding me? Here's the keyboard. It comes with a cord and then it also comes with these little tools. So I'm guessing if you want to switch out some of the keys, you can. And just to show you, here's my keyboard that I bought myself. And here's the keyboard that they sent me for free. Just listen to how satisfying it sounds. I think mine sounds a little different. Just listen to this. And now listen to this one. I don't know, guys. Let me know if you think that they're a little different. But just to show you how it looks like turned on, Look at how pretty this is. You can actually change the colors. I forget how to though, but you get the point. This is a very cool keyboard. You can change the colors of it. It's very aesthetic, sounds very pleasing. If I knew that I could get my keyboard for free, I would definitely do it, but I'm glad that I got this second one for free so I can give it to you guys. So the next box that I have here is from BioIonic. It is also beauty tech, and I'm pretty sure they sent me 2 products. All right, so the first thing that I got here is the Bionic Long Barrel curling iron, and they also sent me a straightener. I'm going to use the straightener first. I'm going to take one strand and straighten it, but then the next strand, I'm going to try to curl it with the same straightener. Let's put on a glove. Let's see with one pass what it's going to do. Wait, that's actually really good. It makes my hair very shiny too. I don't think I've ever curled my hair with a straightening iron, but I think I know how to do it. Oh, I don't think I know how to do it, guys. Oh, I think I got it right. Okay, let's go down. Oh, I did it. Look at this little curl. Twist my hair onto it. I can't really see what I'm doing. Okay, I'm gonna let it go. Oh, okay. I think the most impressive thing about it is that it heats up very quickly and my long hair fits onto the barrel, which is the best part. All right, so next up we have is Skull Candy. When I reached out to them, they actually sent me a message back inviting me to their new product launch event. I was like, are you kidding me? Of course I'll go. So these are all the products they sent me, including this. 2 of them I got during the event. These are their new earbuds called Method 360 A and C, and the sound is actually by Bose. So this is the case of the earbuds. It's pretty cool. So I'm going to take them out and show you how they look. These earbuds are very comfortable and they look amazing. So if you go to the gym, you run, you shake your head, you do whatever activity you're doing, these are not going to fall off your ear. I'm also going to be opening up the other products that I received from them. Ooh, it comes in a little bag inside. Oh my God. These sound amazing. So let me just showcase these ones as well. Oh, this bag is a little different. Ooh. All right, let's put these on. These feel just as comfortable as the last ones. I don't know. Which one do you guys like more? We also got 2 speakers, so let me just open them up too. This one is the Kilo speaker, and this speaker is called Terrain. Okay, let's just put something on. This is really cool. Okay guys, this one doesn't have any charge, but my only guess is that this would sound even crazier if this little guy sounded like that. I'm very impressed. Okay, so for this product, I actually had to wet my hair. This hair dryer is by Sutra Beauty. And funny story is that I actually saw this company when I went to go get my hair cut. I never heard of this company before, but it's supposed to be like a very good hair dryer. You know how people say that hair dryers damage your hair? Well, this one is supposed to keep your hair healthy. All right, so it has different modes here. Whoa. Okay, so if I just turn on the hair dryer, it doesn't do anything. And then I can also turn on the red light. Do you see that? Okay, let's try to blow dry my hair now. Okay, so I just dried that strand. It feels good. My hair still feels the same, which is good because it's not supposed to damage your hair. It's supposed to keep it healthy. All right, so this box and this thing are from ESR. This company literally has so many bestsellers in like cases, screen protectors, and I'm very excited to try out all of these products. So here I have 5 products from them, and the first thing I'm going to start with is something that I've been excited about for a while. This is a 3-in-1 charging station. Okay, so I'm going to plug this thing in right now and then see if it charges. It's charging my Apple Watch too. This is nice. Okay, I'm keeping it. Okay, so now every night my phone and my Apple Watch are gonna be charging like this. Okay, so the next product is this power bank. Boom. Oh, and it's charging my phone already. Now I can go out and then not worry about my phone running low on battery. Okay, so the next thing that we have here is an iPad case. This is their best seller, guys. Look how nice this is, and very thin too. And the next case that we have, it's this flip magnetic case. If you're actually worried about protecting your iPad, this is the case for you. It fits very perfect. It actually has a slot for the Apple Pencil 2 up top here. And the best part is you can actually make this case stand. And when you do that, literally your iPad like doesn't move. And last but not least, this is a keyboard for my iPad Pro. Nobody wants to spend like $200 something on the Magic Keyboard when you can get this beauty. This literally makes your iPad a MacBook. So the best way to try this out is just go to Notes and then start typing. Romina Gafour. The keys actually sound super nice. And I'm not sure if you can tell, but the keys light up right underneath. Also, I'm gonna say this again, this case makes your iPad feel like a MacBook because it does have a trackpad. So you can move this around and basically make your iPad feel like a MacBook. Oh, and if you want your Apple Pencil, boom, and then this thing closes it. All right, so I saved this big box for the last thing I'll open because first, it's very heavy. Second, it's going to take a lot of time to put it together, I think. I don't think you can see it, but it took my brother and my dad to put this box here. And it's a gaming chair from the company called Razer. Oh my goodness, it's really heavy. I will have to put this all together now. This is the heaviest box that I've ever had to open. But I guess it shows that the quality of this chair is just... So now I can finally put this box away. Okay, so actually it was super easy to set it all up, and they even have like a manual right here. Very big, I like it. And this is how we're looking. I still have my old chair right here, but I think from now on, this is gonna be my new chair. This chair is called Razer Iceker V2. Okay, I backed up a little bit because I wanna show you something cool. I can sit up, but I can also put this up and then go down and be in a laying position. Okay, so this chair also has a couple of controls from this side and then also from this side. I can use this and then control how much it pushes up against my back. And this one is another control point, which I think is really, really cool. So you can honestly adjust this chair to however your body feels comfortable. So this is everything that we got, and the total price for all the products is $3,875. So thank you so much to all the brands who reached back out to me and sent me a product for this video.